Hello students, grade 8, subject maths. Today our topic is chapter number 7, part 2 video. In this, open your textbooks NCERT, page number 114. We shall start to find cube root through prime factorization method. You see, example number 6. Find the cube root of 8000. Then as per our rules, we have to divide 8000 by 2, then 3. If it is not possible, then 5. If it is not possible, then 7. If it is not possible, then 11, then 13, then 17, then 19, then 23, etc. Okay. So first of all, we divide 8000 by 2. Then here you see 8000 divided by 2, then 4000 will come. Again it divide by 2, then 2000 will come. Still it is possible by 2. 1000 will come. Still it is possible by 2. 500 will come. Still it is possible by 2. Then 250 will come. Then still it is possible by 2. Then 125 will come. Now from here it is not possible by 2. So let's we talk about next is 3. But in 3 divisibility, the sum of this number must be in the table of 3. Here you see sum is 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8. So 8 does not divide by 3. So let's we start. The next is 5. So with 5 it is possible. 5 25 are, 5 5 are, and 5 1 are. Here you see students, in square root there we got pair of numbers, and in this cube root here you get triplet form. You see 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 3 times, again 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 3 times, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 3 times. So write down 8000 is equal to 2 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, taking cube root on both the sides. So you will get cube root of 8000 is equal to cube root of 2 cube and 5 cube. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 whole raised to 3 of this cube root. So this 3 cancels. So you will get 2 2s are 4 5s are 20. So like this way you can do cube root by prime factorization method. Student, take another example. Find the cube root of 13,824 by prime factorization method. So first of all we write down 13824. Let's start by 2. 2 6 are 12. Then 2 9s are 18. Then 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Like this way you factorize this and then write down the triplet forms over here, and then you will get 24. Very easy. Okay, now students, here let's we start estimation method to find cube root. That one is to find cube root by prime factorization method. This is estimation method. In this, whatever the number is given, perfect cube, first of all make it 2 parts. How you make it 2 parts? Make it 2 group. From the rightmost side, first of all you take 3 digits from any number. First of all you take 3 digits. Okay, so 1 2 from rightmost side. This is your rightmost side, right? From here 1 2 and 3. So this is your first group, and remaining that is your second group. Okay, so this is the first step. Then take unit place from this first group and make it cube. Now take unit digit from the first group, that is 5. So 5 cube means what? 5 cube is equal to 125. In that 125, 5 it is an unit place. So here we put 5. So we get 5 at unit place of cube root. Okay. Now in second group you will have 857 numbers. Okay, we know that this this 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729 and 10 cube 1000. Okay. Now this 857, it is lie between 729 and 1000. So you put this 729 is less than 857, less than 1000. Now 729, it is the cube root of 9 cube and this 1000 10 cube. Now take smaller number from these two. Smaller number is 9. So here now take 729, that is it is a 9 cube, so smaller number, right? So take that number. So 9 which you take as a 10 place. So the cube root of 857375 is, here we take this 9 as a 10 place. So 9 is over here and this is your 5, it is over here. So 857375 cube root is 95. Okay. So like this way you can apply estimation method. Take another example, better understand. Okay, find the cube root of 17576 through estimation method. So first of all, we take 17576, make two groups from the rightmost side. First you take 3 digits and remaining 17, right? So first group, in first group 6 is the unit place. Make it 6 cube. 6 cube means 216. So here 6 will come. So 6 that we put in unit place. Now 17. 17 is lie between 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27. It is lie between 8 and 27. So now 8, it is a perfect cube of 2 and this is 3 cube. Now out of them this is the smaller number. So 2 is a 10 place. So cube root of 17576 is equal to 2 as unit place and 6 as 2 as 10 place and 6 as unit place. Take another example. Find the cube root of 46656 by estimation method. So first of all, write down 46656. Make a pair, 2 pair from rightmost side, 656 and 46, second group. Now from this first group, 6 as a unit place, unit digit. Now make it 6 cube. So you will get 216. Now what is its unit place? 6. So we take 6 as a unit place. Now remaining second group 46. 46 is lie between 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27 and 4 cube 64. So 46 is lie between 27 and 64. Out of them 27 is a smaller number. Now 27 means 3 cube is less than 46 is less than 64 means 4 cube. Now so out of them 3 is a smaller number. So 3 is a, we take as a 10 place. So the cube root of 46656 is 3 here and 6 here. So it is the cube root of 36. Another example, find the cube root of 110592. Okay. So now make the two group from rightmost side. First of all, we take 3 digit. So 592 take 3 digit and remaining 110 second group, right? from this 59 to 2, it is in the unit place. Now what is 2 cube? That is 8. So we have to put 8, right, not 2. Okay, हमको ये यूनिट प्लेस का क्यूब करना है और वो यूनिट प्लेस में जो आता है उसको यूनिट प्लेस में रखना है. यस, so now 2 cube is 8, so that 8 is a unit place is 8 only. Now remaining that group 110, it is lie between 64 and 125. So 64, it is the cube root of, it is the cube of 4, and 125 is the cube of 5. Out of them 4 is a smaller one, so we take smaller one as a 10 place. So now 110592 is equal to 48. 4 is in 10 place and 8 is in 8 place. Okay, so if you want to verify, then 48 multiplied by 48 multiplied by 48 3 times. When you do multiplication, you will get 110592. Another example, cube root of 13824 by estimation method. You see that first of all we take 3 digits from first group, so 824, and second group is 13. Now from 824 unit place is 4, then 4 का क्यूब करिए. 4 का क्यूब क्या है? 64. 64 में भी यूनिट प्लेस क्या आता है? 4, तो वो लेंगे 4 एज अ यूनिट प्लेस. नाउ रिमेनिंग दैट 13 which is lie between 8 and 27. So 8 means 2 cube, 27 means 3 cube. Out of them which one is smaller one? 2. So 2 is at 10 place. So we put cube root of 13824 is equal to 2 is at 10 place and 4 is a unit place. So it is the perfect cube of 24. So easy method by estimation method, right? Now find cube root of 91125. First of all, make 3 groups from rightmost side. So 125 and 91. In 125, 5 is a unit place. Make it cube. 5 cube 125. Then you will get 5 at a unit place. So 5 as a unit place you write down. Now the remaining second group 91 is there, and that 91 which is lie between 64 and 125. So 64, it is the cube root of 4, and 125 is the cube root of 5. Out of them 4 is a smaller number, so 4 is at 10 place. So cube root of 4 cube and 5 cube. So out of them 4 is a smaller number, so 4 is at unit place, 10 place. So cube root of 91125, that is equal to 4, 10 place, and 5 it is in unit place, so 45. So students, like this way you can do from home. Try this exercise 7.2 as in the form of HW, and here the chapter is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.